Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
good. What about you?
I'm good, thank you so much. Where are you from?
I'm from Kazakhstan.
Okay, but look, I'm quite confused to pronounce your country name, like Kazakhstan or Kazakhstan?
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
Yeah, Kazakhstan. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, thank you. What are you eating now?
It's kind of fast food. Yeah.
Fast food.
You know the cola? Yes, like Coke. It is Coke.
Oh, yeah, I know
Yes.
this.
Yeah.
Okay, I know this one, but nowadays Bangladesh try to boycott this Coca-Cola because this product is made by Israel. That's why we don't like this.
Ah, they want another boycott senor can begin. Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah.
Is that what the Coke?
Okay.
If you want to, what is kind of noodles?
Noodles. Yep.
Yeah. When we are in some spices and we will just um you call it we will just it's we wash
No,
wait
it's
a minute.
okay. It's okay.
Yeah, we just made the hot water, like boiling, and just for 5 minutes we will just close and wait for just 5 minutes, not like 5 minutes, like seven, where the noodles
Okay.
can.
Okay. So it seems to me that you are a very good cook. You can cook very well.
I'm not i'm not when we are very lazy and we do not, we just take the things like it's such kind of ramen.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah, ramen. That's why it's interesting. Yeah.
Okay. Sounds great. You are speaking with me with full of your energy. It's very pleasant to see you here. And I'm really learning English through this application.
Really, me
Yeah.
too, don't worry.
Okay. So how did you learn English? Can you explain very shortly?
Um, it's very simple. It's not like a simple. When we are learning English, like English is more easy than the other languages.
Hmm.
The reason why it's for me English, like of course it's hard. This process is hard, but learning English is easy to knowing learning for learn. But everywhere I live with English, you must be around of people who speak English. It's really helped to fluent your speaking and listening when we are hearing some conversation, making some conversation with the others. It really help. And if you want to improve your pronunciation,
Hmm.
I'd like to recommend you hearing music, and
Yes.
just think and saying. Yeah, it's really help. Yeah.
Okay, but how about that if I was like American shows or British shows, does it help to improve the listening and pronunciation as well?
No, it's not me. Like if you just make conversation with foreign people who can speak in English. Even it will be your friend. If they can speak in English, it will be very helpful.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, for example, when I was at college or like some courses, I always try to speak in English with my teachers and with friends that I found there. With
Hmm.
English, in there is really help.
Yeah. Perfect. But one tips you just give me. There are many techniques to learn English. So which one is the perfect? And without that one, nobody can learn English. Give me just one point that must be needed to learn English.
Like I've been learning English since when I was young. There is a way I'd like to prefer just practice everything. But about the techniques, I'm not sure. Just watching podcasts, films, there is make build great grammar
Mhm.
and vocabulary. Like you do not understand the word translation of this word, you can just see the action, what they are doing. There is a way you can understand the new words. But
Yeah,
I think
got you.
film, if you're really lazy, you do not want to do anything, just watch some films. The first time it will be very strange and like you don't want to watch, you want to watch in your own native language. There is a way you should try. And after that, when you are understand, start to understand, you can took um, films more difficulty,
Mhm.
like maybe intermediate or upper intermediate films where the word more difficult. There is a, yeah.
Yes. Okay, sounds great. You have given me a bunch of idea about learning English. That's great, but I will try to follow your tips and tricks.
Hi.
How are you?
Well, fine. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. Very pleasure to see you. I think you speak English, right?
No.
Well, what language do you speak?
Little.
Can you tell me your language little bit?
Yeah. 아, біз қазақша сөйлейміз, короче.
Like,
Түсінесің ба?
okay, like how do you say what's your name in your language?
Сенің атың кім?
Senin
Атың кім?
Atinkam.
Атың?
Yeah, Senin
Класс,
Atinkam.
yeah.
Perfect. That's really a good language, but I think it's quite hard to learn your language. Okay, so as you taught me, what's your name in your language, but how do I say my own dialect? What's your name? We says, Tomar naam ki. Say that with me. Tomar
Tomar?
naam
Is this your name? Tomar? Your
naam.
name?
No, no. Tomar naam ki. Tomar naam ki.
Tomar нам.
Ki. Yeah. Okay.
Что еще?
What's your name?
My name is Ayala.
Ayala. And the other one,
Yeah.
please.
Тебя? My
Yeah.
name is Ayana.
Ayala and
Yeah.
Ayana. Oh, I'm
Yes.
confused little bit. So you are sister or friend?
No, friends. We are friends.
Okay, but why your name is quite similar?